Hey there, welcome to the video on how to find people on Instagram. First, open up Instagram on your phone. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on the Instagram homepage if you're already logged in. Now, take a look at the bottom of the screen. You'll see a bunch of icons down there. Tap on the second one. It's the magnifying glass. This will take you to the search page. At the top of the screen, you'll see a gray field with the word search written in it. That's the search bar. Tap on it and your phone's keyboard should pop up. Now, it's time to type in the name or account name of the person you're looking for. As you start typing, you'll notice that results will appear below the search bar. Pretty cool, right? When you find the account you want to follow, tap on it. This will open up the user's profile. If the account is public, you'll be able to see a grid of their posts. If it's private, you'll just see their profile image and bio. If you don't see the account you're looking for, don't worry. Just scroll down a bit and you might find it there. Ah, you found the right account. Now look for the blue button that says Follow. It's usually located near the top, left corner of the page. Give it a tap, and voila, you're now following that account. You'll be able to find it in the following section of your profile from now on. However, if the account is protected and requires approval, tapping Follow will send a request to the account owner. If they approve your request, you'll start following their account. That's it. Now you know how to find and follow accounts on Instagram. Happy exploring!